Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 21st of February 2018. Hope you had a good trading day. A little interesting. Gap down, filled the gap, went a little higher, and then sold off in the afternoon. Had some really nice setups going into that sell-off that then sort of didn't play out, but it's fine. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. Remember, we talked about this last week. They saved the market for options expiration. That bailed out all the puts that were bought in the collapse, and they all expire worthless on Friday. Saves the floor. It bounced the market a little bit. And now that that's all gone, it doesn't feel as safe all over again. We'll take a look at the intraday action in a minute, but let's go through the majors. So crude oil unchanged at 61.55. Gold down 26.90. S&P cash index loses 15.96. The Nasdaq was all over the board. It was green for a while by quite a bit, even when the S&P wasn't. Then it went red, closed up 9 in the end. That's kind of a blip. Stocks up 23.21, nowhere near highs yet. Biotech's down 36.31. The VIX closes at 20.60, up 114. Trin closes at 1.26. But remember, that big number above 3.5 drops off the moving average, so the moving average drops to 0.94. And so a couple of readings could get us right back to a 0.85 10-day moving average again, which is a sell signal on the market. Nasdaq volume only 1.9 billion, really the worst we've seen except for one day in the last month. So it was really boring start to the option cycle. Advanced decline ratio on the Nasdaq negative 646, on the New York negative 948. Not pretty. Google up $8.09. Apple loses 58 cents. Amazon up 1966, getting back near highs. Matter of fact, that might be a new closing high on Amazon, but still under the risk line from the 13 sell signal. Netflix up 3 cents. Tesla loses 72 cents. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 52 cents, back near lows. The Dow was down 250, and Goldman Sachs loses 273. All right. 5-minute candles. Remember, ignore that little Monday where they open the market for a couple hours, but there's no volume. So you can see the end of Thursday, Friday, up and back. And then, so technically from Friday's close to Monday's open, we gapped down, right? And then we reached up just to fill the gap. That was it, rolled over on Tuesday. There you go. Not much there either. Gap down, filled the gap, sold off sharply in the afternoon. All right, so that's that. What does it mean for tomorrow? Hard to say. Obviously, if we start to pick up some speed to the downside with options expired behind us, that will be interesting. In terms of economic data, we've got flash manufacturing and services PMI at 9:45, existing home sales at 10, Fed meeting minutes at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.